Why are you so...
Sorry, that's my radio, but...
Wait.
That's my radio.
I see. Yeah. So I'm Timmy, the clip art kid.
I know you're Timmy the Clipper Kid, but this is the reason why you've always been trying to do some real reasons why I had to get ready for going rail fanning right now.
Why do you have to be so mean to me? I didn't do anything to you. You told me to go and die. You also told me you were gonna hang me.
Why?
You said that. And I have it right here. I got the evidence on a flash drive.
What?
I got a flash drive with the evidence of you.
Sorry, Timmy, listen, I'm on duty, rail fanning duty right now.
I don't care what you do. I don't care if you're fucking a wife. You are being mean to Timmy and against the Timmy religion. And you do not know where I live. And whatever the RAILFAN Alliance, I don't care.
Timmy, if you don't stop, I'm going to tell my friends Matt, Cosmic Donut, and Jake.
Do it! No balls. You won't do that.
I'm going to tell Nathan too, by the way. You've been still very annoying to me. You need to stop. Timmy,
Get your RAILFAN buddies.
I know you do so, but this is the reason why you're trying to be yelling at people right now. But you always... But Timmy, listen to me very
I'm not Timmy from South Park. I'm Timmy the Clip Art Kid.
I do not. But you acting like that.
Your
voice sounds rude. I'll tell you this right now.
You sound like a middle-aged man.
Timmy, you need to stop obsessing me because you've been doing all these silly stuff. What you did twice.
You're doing silly stuff by showing AWVR. Yeah.
Timmy.
Yeah, no, that's sad.
Timmy, if I hear a train horn, I have to hang up because I have to catch these trains right now. But you need to stop calling me because there's a train coming, okay?
But you called me.
I didn't call you. You did it yourself. But we have I know exactly sure right now what you have here because he's, why you want to call me and why you want to do all these stupid reasons right now.
Hey, wait, that's a lie. That's a lie. Timmy always tells the truth.
Listen, Timmy, calm down.
Yeah,
I know it's hurt.
Yeah.
I know it hurts you, but
you're hurt.
You need to. Hey, Timmy.
You stopped making racist video.
No. Timmy.
You make racist
video. Stop calling me. Hey.
Stop talking.
Timmy.
Stop calling me. That's your fault for calling me.
No, it was you trying to call me, okay?
Yes,
but Timmy,
yeah.
Can you please stop? Hey, Timmy. Timmy, stop calling me. You're trying to do something bad.
You called me silly.
I didn't call you. You did to yourself. You're trying to bother me, bugging me, saying you're trying to hack someone over here? No, I don't care, but you need to stop doing this.
Stop hacking me. Stop hacking me. See, kids, this kid is trying to dox me and hack me.
You said these kids are hexagons or like that?
What you said? You're crazy. You're delusional. You need help. You need a mental hospital.
I'm not going to a mental hospital. You are. Your voice sounds like crazy. No. I'm on duty rail fanning right now.
Anyway, you're screaming at a phone in the middle of the woods.
I'm not screaming in the middle of the woods. Look, I'm in a town, okay? Not a woods, okay? I'm in a town.
I'm in my basement.
There are 2 train tracks right now. You saw these 2 train tracks, okay?
No, I did not.
There's one other side, and there's one other side.
That's one train track. That's one train track.
The E69 is coming on its way. You better... Okay, Timmy.
You better live... Are you doing this live?
Timmy, the ROTC or Rail for the Carolinas Railfan Community Team
Okay,
Service.
okay, call your RAILFAN buddy so I can get in trouble. See what happens. I'm not scared of you. I'm not scared of you. I'm not scared of you.
I'm done with this behavior. I'm done. Okay, bye.
That is what you call is a mean person. So stay away from him. He will hack you. He will dox you, and he will get you. So this is Timmy Clipper Kid, and also he actually called me. So I don't know why he called me. But that is Timmy signing off, and he needs help. He needs help. And he's exposed, and he's racist to Abdullah Muslim. He's a racist to Abdullah Muslim, and he also stole all Rails Unlimited models. You better stop this little fella before I hack him, and he will dox you. Stay away from him. He has bad taste in anime. That's not terrible anime. Look at that dumbass anime. So yeah, this is Timmy saying goodbye. And also play with your toys and get exposed, motherfucker. It's me, Timmy. You get exposed, roasted, exposed. He lives in the woods.